slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
A story that begins with the artistry of skilled craftsmen and ends with unparalleled finesse. Today, join us as we take a closer look at the intricate process of crafting a beautiful ring. The craftsman, with years of experience in the workshop, places the initial model of the ring into the mold. Using a special cement and oil mixture, he fills the empty spaces and applies precise pressure to prepare the mold. Then, with skilled hands, he removes any excess cement, ensuring the mold is ready for the next stage, casting. Intense heat transforms the metal into a glowing liquid. This liquid is then poured into the mold, taking the shape of the ring. Once cooled, the raw ring is ready for the next steps. Using specialized tools and sandpaper, the craftsman smooths and evens out the edges. This step is crucial, as the balance and symmetry of both sides of the ring must be perfect to ensure a seamless weld in the next stage. Then, using heat and brass, the connection points are welded. After welding, the ring is cooled in water to prepare it for the next steps. The craftsman uses grinding tools and sandpaper to smooth out any grooves and imperfections. Next, the stone setting is carefully carved. This step requires precise measurements, as the setting must perfectly match the size of the stone. With patience and precision, the craftsman draws traditional or modern designs onto the ring. These designs are then hand engraved using specialized tools. Every line and pattern reflects the artistry and years of experience of the craftsman. Using specialized tools, the craftsman drills and prepares the settings for these stones. Finally, the ring is polished one last time to achieve a stunning shine. Now the ring is ready to be delivered to the customer. Then, the main stone is carefully set and secured into place.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do